some of what you're feeling right now may not even belong to you. Okay, for instance, have you entered a room and felt heavy? Or maybe have you talked to someone and suddenly you feel drained afterwards? Or you are scrolling online for a few minutes and then your whole energy changed. That's sensitivity. And sensitivity is not a weakness, but without practice, sensitivity becomes exhaustion because you absorb all the energy from people, spaces, conversations, and even digital spaces. And that is why daily clearing matters. Not because the world is bad, but because your inner space is sacred. And sacred spaces must be cared for. So here's a simple way to do that in your own time and space. I invite you to join me. So please close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Again, and as you inhale, imagine a white light going into your body. Fill it up. And as you exhale, imagine this white light going out of your body, carrying what's not needed, carrying out what's not needed, all the things that don't belong to you. Keep on repeating that, and then silently say to yourself, I return what is not mine. I come back to myself. And just notice how it feels. And when you feel ready, you can just simply open your eyes. And remember, that is a good way to protect your space and clear yourself out from anything that's not needed or doesn't belong to you. You do not need to harden your heart to protect your energy. You just need to learn to clear, to return, and stay rooted.